greet you and the Lord bless you. This Bishop Dr. Mawuli Mawuko. Yeah, and we know Kasafa and some one and same time the course of Christo Sarfo no na same kakra and so Dama Kuma so near Futu idea the person Koma Yeniano Christo Sarfo Nada. Any kind Yamisha Yam Papa or by we are still born in Brana like Tony Sarfo. In terms of leadership is very important. Now, Christo Sarfo started Moduma Yenu, Osho Mabakwa Semu Kakra, Yobi and Metai, share the kind of saying, Kantanka TV, Yobi and Mr. Dia Papane from so many times now, Papane the Apostle Kwadwo Sarfo. Now, or starting with the apostleship. I'm all be a bit to be an Menyamini Unkai. Bisase, a radical nipa we ya, but no harbor me, and to any papa. And nipa we ya, some one, and some body we are, and to obey him, and to obey me. Ababum fitias here, a nipa and a boy nipa. Obi answer say, a nipa and a say nipa. I had them do so. They enter into agriculture and those things, and later on they have a vision to create or establish so many things. Until Apostle Kwadwo Sarfo, but the ministry started as a church, which is apostle. But later on, we came to find out that they see a papa no affiliate, which is not bad. But in terms of ministry, the church has to sit down and draw the line of ministry as a apostle role and as a kingship role. It will never be say the same church, you see one as an apostle. And when you look at the scriptures, you can't find this. From the pages of the scriptures up to now, your suffer. It's a madrin kakla. Yes, a number so. Now no is young near being. I saw an intimacy. Now, who say, your papa the born bra. Now, with people say, near the banon as would be Nadia. I saw it and I did your friend. Say, Nippon knew of friend. How can he become an apostle? No one is our friend now, the bay apostle. Indeed, say, who is you be a? Does the person has a calling? So, our calling there, then. Why do you use a kingship method to establish an apostle? Nemakers and chair wins with nearby better. It is a constitution as a sunset said if I'm in ya. One said, Owoba Owo Eba, Maran, a papation frigid, didn't see no. Bankaneba the top, being pony busy. And the church leaders, no sorry, I'm when you're careful, now wanting to tell me, not mamma. Papa no nachi enye basa. For hene different. Apostle different. Ni nyina obi a wona dwuma oye. Enti se mo behwe ma asoro ne daach be kese a ene na ese mutimi hunu say apostleship or kingship. Then who can lead the church by wisdom of God and the spiritual aspect? The church has to see that role. My emfa sorry emfra himself papa na ye okọ but so okọ no you obedi na chiri ntimi nya the same thing emu di ade de emu ni ade emu de osofo osi akonya so amfo so osi akonya so enya sa mo be ha sorry ne dachi Christ has available be the ntimi nkabi because the leadership is the progress of everything. When a leadership fall, everything can vanish. The church can vanish one time while it will become a history. The company that will be in the video it can vanish one time, all because say man so some bad years so need that court let me actually court my dear woman in property all properties yeah the Indians in two this one I didn't say you one intimate sermon and often if the great leader has passed away, let us arise. And two, we should consider everybody as human being. Obia obey we as nipa ya humbo for am we as Obia obey we as nipa I am a human being and you are a human being. I can have a gift, I can have a talent, but I am a human being. But what is within me defines my life. So we should do well listen to all these things. It is a piece of advice I'm giving to the entire community or the church. Young papa establishing. The ceremony, my dream, it doesn't mean you go. Rather than come on Shram, no better, nothing to make any see papa, and the king has to be used to. Amen.